In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share form results in Jotform. If you need to let teammates, clients, or stakeholders view your form submissions without exporting spreadsheets or sending screenshots, Jotform makes it simple and secure. We'll walk through where to go, what each sharing option means, and how to set the right level of access so your data stays under control. Start by heading to My Forms. This is your main dashboard where all your forms live. Make sure you're signed in so you can access everything you need. Once you're on the page, find the form whose results you want to share and click it once to select it. A single click is all you need. That highlights the form and reveals the tools associated with it. Next, click Submissions to open Jotform tables. This is where your response data appears in a clean, spreadsheet-style layout. You can see each entry as a row and each form field as a column, which makes it easy to scan, sort, and filter your results. When you're ready to share what you're seeing, look to the top right and click Share. Now it's time to choose how you want to share access. Public link means anyone with the link can view your table. This is helpful for broad visibility, like sharing results with a large audience that doesn't need to log in. Private link requires viewers to log into Jotform, which is great when you want to make sure only invited collaborators can access the data. Company access limits viewing to users who share the same email domain, which keeps your information inside your organization. After selecting the access type, set the appropriate permissions. Read only lets people view but not change anything, ideal for reports and status updates. Read plus comment allows viewers to leave feedback directly on the table without altering your data, which is perfect for reviews and discussions. Read plus edit gives collaborators the ability to make changes in the table, best reserved for trusted teammates who need to update records or fix entries. Choose the least access necessary for your use case to maintain data integrity. Once you finish choosing access and permissions, your viewers will be able to see real-time results in that familiar spreadsheet-style layout. Any new submissions or updates you make will appear instantly to them, keeping everyone aligned without extra emails or exports. That's all there is to it. Quick, flexible sharing with the control you need to keep your data safe and useful.